Do you know how the MEXI steel structures for houses, industrial warehouses, and photovoltaic parks are made? MEXI steel light steel structures are made of galvanized steel, which is anti-corrosive, durable and does not require coating. Various widths of galvanized steel coils, with the thicknesses ranging from 1 mm to 5 mm, are fed into the automated cold-forming machinery to obtain a range of strength performance profiles. The machine's highly effective in mass manufacture of different strength profiles. They are equipped with advanced functions that allow for millimetrically precise perforations, cold stamping, cutting, trimming, and automatic marking of profiles. They efficiently process long elements and project-adapted cross-sections of a diverse typo-dimensional variety. The automated production processes and the high-precision equipment enable production frame shapes within a tolerance of 1 mm. The resulting profiles are ideal for strong, rigid structures. They are reliable and versatile, offering numerous high-quality options and solutions. MEXI Steel has an ingenious integrated design system for profile production. Using computer numerical control machines and high-quality raw materials such as structural steel type S350GD, S550GD, with superior galvanization of up to zinc 450 or zinc magnesium 310 gram per square meter, the risk of contraction or deformation after the assembly stage is eliminated. Elements can be press cut, laser cut, and welded. The assembly is fast, regardless of season, with metric screw joints, which also allow for easy disassembly and relocation of the MEXI structure. Various types of construction projects have used on MEXI light steel structures: houses, clinics, office buildings, dormitories, and industrial halls. Relying on the significantly lower weight when compared to conventional systems, more optimal strength-to-weight ratios, resistance to high-intensity earthquakes, up to 10% larger usable surfaces, superior sound and thermal insulation, and perfectly straight walls. The MEXI design engineering team can transform almost any structural element into panel assemblies with great precision, managing large-scale projects effectively. The steel frames exhibit precise geometry, stable and robust flatness, which simplify structural alignment during assembly. Installation is easy, thanks to the detailed design by MEXI strength engineers. MEXI manufactures steel structures for carports and profile systems for photovoltaic panel parks. The structural elements are joined by metric screws, with each structure also containing the fastening accessories for panels, making the MEXI steel system comprehensive. MEXI Steel.